In this tutorial, you will learn how to define the user-specific options in VERA centrally. The options in VERA are needed to preset certain user interface settings and VERA functions. Each user can set his own options with the icon Options in the normal user area. But there is also the possibility for administrators to define the options per user or per team. If you define options per team, each user inherits his default team's options when he first logs into VERA. VERA loads a user's option when he starts VERA and saves them when the user exits VERA. Therefore, it is recommended to edit the options centrally when all affected users are not logged into VERA. To define the options centrally, please switch to the tab Control and select Management Options there. First, you have to click on Refresh to load the existing options. In the upper list, you see all existing options for users and teams. Now, click on New to create a new option. In the following dialog, you can decide if the options should be defined per user or per team, and select the user or team. With a click on Edit, you open the Options dialog in which the options themselves are set. Some of the options you can set are explained here. Language format. Here you can define how language information is shown in VERA. By default, only the language name is shown. Context dispatch. Here you can set if customer emails are quoted in answer emails or not. Single context means that only the email that is being worked on in the normal user area is quoted. All emails in ICF package means that all emails that have been linked in an ICF package should be quoted. An ICF package can be created when an agent opens an email for work by selecting to work on more than one unsolved email by the same customer at once. Date format. Here you can define how dates like email reception or sending dates in VERA are shown. You can also define that the time should be shown behind the date. Send HTML emails by default. Here you can decide whether the agent sends formatted HTML emails or unformatted plain text emails as default. Header, footer, quote. These four options are needed to define if predefined headers and footers and quoted customer emails are used in customer notes or external forwards and inquiries. Spelling checker. These three options are needed to define if VERA should check the spelling already while an agent writes his email and underline mistakes with a red line. If VERA should check the complete email before sending, and if VERA should only check the spelling in the editor's second rectangle, the content part. Header, footer, and quoted customer email are not checked then. Appearance. Here you can define fonts and font sizes for different areas in VERA. For example, to show the preview of standard answers in a bigger size font. The option HTML text has a special meaning. It is also used as the default font and font size value for writing and sending HTML emails. Filters. Here you can select the search filters that VERA shows in the monitor area and the search area. It is recommended to disable filters that are not needed to save space on the screen. After you set the options completely, please click on OK twice to create the new options. Now you can create further options or edit or delete existing options. To save your changes, please click on the button Save.